Hi, welcome back to Musin Chemistry. This is Lewis structure dimer lesson 1. A Lewis structure represents the number of valence electrons around each atom in a compound structure. A dimer, however, is a structure that has an unpaired electron and is a free radical. Okay, well, let's take a look at this. Well, nitrogen's in group 15, right? So we have 5 valence electrons. We're going to do that right now. Okay. Oxygen is in group 16, so it's got 6 valence electrons. Okay. So now let's do the math. We have 1 nitrogen, but bring it in 5 valence electrons. And we have 2 oxygens, bringing in each 6 valence electrons. This gives me 12 valence electrons and 5 valence electrons, which is a total of 17 valence electrons. All right, let's go ahead and let's look at the structure. First of all, nitrogen is going to be our core because it has 3 docking ports where oxygen has 2. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our N and our O's together. Put an O there, put an O there. First thing you want to do is you want to branch these in and then give oxygens their octets. Okay, now you got 16, then you would have 1 here. But nitrogen doesn't have an octet, right? Okay, we got 1 dot right there, okay? Now, we're going to have to try to make this a little bit better. So let's go ahead and see if we can't fix the structure a little bit. And this is going to make this kind of a positive charge here. So let's go ahead and erase the structure. And let's try again. That's not going to work. All right, so let's look at this. Now let's give it a little space here. And a little space here. So now we're going to put 1 here. 2 here, 2 bonds there. And then we're going to do this, and this. And put a bond there. And then we're going to do this to the top. And then we're going to put a dot, of course, right here. Left of the dot there. And then we're going to put a little plus sign to represent this free radical. Now, let's count the electrons now. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, plus 1 gives us 17. Okay, now, the point here is this. Is this the only way to do it? No, of course not. You could also write it like this. Again, these free radicals are kind of rare, and so you don't really see them a lot in Chem 1, so I wouldn't be overly concerned about this. But just be aware that they are out there. And this would be the other possibility. So this would make this object actually a resonating structure. Okay, well that's it for this lesson, guys. You be snarly, and we'll see you back here at Musin Chemistry.